Hey friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's make this cute little Valentine decor. We're going to paint this plaster from Waverly, and we're just going to make sure we get it all covered up really, really good. We're going to give it a good dry, and then we'll go in with another coat. And I know you guys, I always think that you guys hate that I do all the steps, but I want you guys to see everything that's done. That way you know what I did to make it, to get it to the point that I got it to. Anyway, we're going to dry that, touch up a couple more places here, and then we're going to be done with it, y'all. We're going to dry it a little bit more. I'm going fast as I can go. Anyway, you guys, let's dry this real quick, and we're going to go in and we're going to grab us a Dollar Tree heart. These, you guys, these have been around for a couple of years. I love these hearts. Every time I see them, I grab about 4 or 5 of them, and then we start in. I'm putting some clear wax on that right now. I'm using an essential stencil brush, you guys. These work perfectly for this wax. I'm going to add the white wax, and then I'm going to add the dark wax around it as well. And what that white wax is going to do is it's going to help me to be able to move that dark wax off there a little bit better than I normally would be able to. Look at this, you guys. This is totally different than what it looked like whenever we put it over here on my table. It is gorgeous. I love it, y'all. I love it. I'm all about these darker colors with the rich colors down inside the crevices. It just looks so pretty. I was going to use the quilted paper laying next to it, you guys, but once I did that, it does not go with that quilted paper, so we're going to grab something else. I like this right here, these music notes. So we're going to pop that right on there. This is a very simple craft, you guys. We're going to cut around it. Look how pretty that looks now, y'all. And I've got this little rose laying here. I had no intentions on using this little rose, but it's going to look cute in here, so we're going to stick this little rose in here. And I went to glue this down, and I realized I had paper sticking over, so I decided to go ahead and sand the paper off. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just sanding around those edges and making sure that we got the extra paper off. Now I'm going to heat this glue back up with my my heat tool. We're just going to get the glue nice and soft again, and we're going to lay it on top of this little board here. We're going to take this rose, put inside here. And you'll see me play with this rose a little bit because it wasn't laying the way I wanted it to, but it's okay. We'll get it to lay the way we want it. And then we're going to stick that right in there. And I kind of move it around. Got to take some glue off right here. I'm just messing with it until I get it where I want it. But you guys know you all can do this. I got my rose there now where I wanted it. And I kept thinking, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do? Because you guys, I changed the paper out. Remember that. We changed the whole project. We're going to add a little black rub and buff on here. I believe it's called Ebony. We're going to put that on there, and it just kind of darkens up those little buttons a little bit for me. And then I kept looking and kept trying everything out, and I couldn't find anything I liked any better than what I already had on there. So I thought about trying this lace. I'm tying this bow here. I'm thinking maybe I'll put a little bow on here, but nope, no bow. There you go, friends. There's your final picture. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. If you would, share these blessings out, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Have a great day.